Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Allen Watch Curve 3 smartwatch. On our previous video on how to connect the Curve 3, we connect it or set it up with our Android smartphone. On this video, we are going to set it up with our iPhone with the JU Pro app. So if you have the Watch Curve 3 and you want to set it up or to connect it with your iPhone, watch this video. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and connect our Allen Watch Curve 3 smartwatch to our iPhone. We have the QR code here. The QR code is also available here in a smartwatch. You can scan this with your QR code scanner and download the app, or you can go directly in the App Store. Just search JU Pro. So we have here the JU Pro app. So this is the application for your Allen Watch Curve 3. To install, just tap on Get. Wait for the completion of download. It will be automatically installed in your smartphone. So let's wait for it. Now that the download and installation is complete, let's open the application. Open the app. Okay, we have here our first permission. So while using the app. Then another one, it is asking for our Bluetooth, okay. Notification permission, okay, allow. After that, tap on to scan the device. And as you can see here, we already have the Allen Curve 3. To pair your smartwatch or connect your smartwatch, tap on Allen Curve 3. Then just follow here. Set your profile. Next. You can set it or just leave it as it is. Then completed. Then tap on device. And as you can see here, we are already connected. So very fast and very easy to pair. We already set the permission for notifications, SMS, and incoming call notifications. Let's see with the message notifications. Yes, it's already activated. You can disable some of the apps here if you're not using it. Okay, then that's it. Go back. We have watch faces here. Let's see. It may take this time to download, so we'll just ignore this. We have frequent contacts, settings. Let's see if we are. Yes, we are connected. Power saving mode. We have device update here. Device check. Okay. And as you can see, we are downloading an over-the-air update for our smartwatch. So let's wait for it. It's now upgrading. As you can see on the setup, it is very fast, very easy to connect, and seems like we are stable. The connection with the Allen Watch Curve 3 and the JU Pro app is stable in iPhone or iOS platform. So let's wait for the completion of upgrade or device update. Okay, it's almost complete. And I guess device update is already done. Okay, let's go back. Our smartwatch restarted. So let's wait for the restart. Okay, go back. So let's wait. And as you can see here, it restarted. Then we are connected. Okay, so we have more settings. Time format, set to 12-hour time format. automatic heart rate test. We'll disable this. Power saving mode. Okay. So what are the additional settings for our wearable here? So we have the watch faces. Okay, only few. Okay, it's not loaded yet, but we have some here. We have custom wallpaper, and we have drinking water reminder, remote selfie, and medicine reminder. So limited options here for our smartwatch, but anyway, seems like we do have a stable connectivity with the JU Pro app. So it's working with the iOS platform or iPhone. If you have any questions regarding the setup for the smartwatch, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.